Press push button 1 then release. Okay. Step 10. Press push button 2 then release. Stop recording then turn off power. Step 20. Press then release push button 1. Place 10 cover cup in conveyor one by one with an interval of 3 seconds. Kindly catch the cover cup at the end of conveyor. Step 23. Step 23, once the 10 cover cup reach the end of conveyor, and if it stops, press then release again, push button 1. Step 26, wait until all objects count and the conveyor stops.
Observation. In step 9, once the push button was pressed, it changed the light from green to red light.
There is a changeover in lamps. The first lamp is closed and second lamp is open.
In step 20, my observation is that after the pressing and release of push button 1, the conveyor starts to run.
In my observation in step 21, when the cover cup was placed on the conveyor, it moved from left side to right side.
For my observation in step number 23, after the 10th cup passes through the conveyor doesn't stop.
My observation in double actuator in step 24 is that when you press push button 1 and the conveyor will start. Then after 5 seconds, when you press push button 2, the counter will go back to 0 and start counting from there.
In step 25, the conveyor or the system resumes operation when push button 1 is pressed.
In step 26, once the object was placed in the conveyor, it will be count on the object and stop once that counter meet the number of objects.